Welcome to Math 10. My name is Adrienne Mitchell and I will be your instructor for the class. I'd like to review just briefly some of the important aspects of our course in our shell here on Moodle. You have the Start Here block where you have a series of items that are really important to review at the beginning of the term. The most important, in addition to watching this video, is reading the syllabus. The syllabus reviews all of the important information about grading, the types of assignments, the expectations for the course, as well as provides all of the due dates for all of the assignments. So be sure to take a look at the syllabus. We will have a pre-assessment this first week, which is also helpful for you to kind of get a sense of where you're at in terms of your skill level for the types of concepts we're going to be studying in this course. For that assignment, it's okay if you miss problems. Please don't worry about that. Your score will be updated for full credit. But if you do notice that you have scored lower than 7, then I would strongly recommend that you take some time to do the long division review assignment. There are a whole bunch of extra resources available to you to review long division, which is something that is really helpful to know before you begin this course. There is also a lot of course information for you here, a couple of different versions, links to the syllabus and different file formats for you. The News and Announcements Forum, this is the place where I will post announcements for you that are important information related to the class, upcoming assignments, information about exams, and things like that. So be sure to take a look at the announcements forum frequently and also check your Lane email address several times a week. There are also a number of resources for students. All of our materials are free and available to you online here on Moodle. You can download sections of the textbook if you would like. Those are also free. There are some tips for student success, a student-to-student help forum where you can post and connect with other students. It's also a place where you might wish to form a study group with other students. There's information about computer help for students, advice from former students who've taken Math 10 in the past, as well as information about how to contact me and how to go to office hours using Zoom. Each week, we will have a series of lessons. So for example, for week 1, we have a number of lessons reviewing concepts with whole numbers. These are video lessons, and you should be sure to watch each video at least one time. And I recommend taking notes on all of the videos as you go through the course. We'll also have homework sections. Each of these will be due on a weekly basis for you to complete. All of these homework sections are completed online directly through Moodle. And then we will frequently have additional assignments each week. These will include a quiz or an exam. And then in addition to all of the kind of required pieces each week, there are some additional optional videos if you would like to review the same concepts but explained in a slightly different way by a different instructor. You can go ahead and review these videos as well as the textbook sections. So that's basically the format that we will have for each week. We'll have lessons, we'll have homework, and we will have assignments. We have a few more assignments the first week. Usually it will be slightly less. Over the course of the term, we'll have 6 quizzes and 3 exams. So that works out to roughly 1 quiz or 1 exam each week. So that's a kind of the general overview of our class. I'll be opening up each week on Moodle as we go through the term. Right now we have just week 1 available. But I do want to point out that at the very bottom of our Moodle shell, there is an extra credit section. And this you can use to review concepts that will come up in Math 20, which is the class after Math 10. All of these videos and homework sections are optional, and if you complete them, you can earn extra credit. They'll also help prepare you for Math 20, or you could decide to retake the placement test or take a higher level math class after reviewing all of these concepts. So those are optional if you'd like to work on those as extra credit. So I'll go back up here to the very top of our class and just highlight again the news and announcements forum, where you can always click to find out what is the most important information for the week, and also the syllabus, of course, which is important to review this week at the very beginning of the term. So I look forward to working with you all. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. The best way to contact me is by email at mitchella@lanecc.edu. And I wish you the best of luck in this class and in all of your classes this term.